How to install N8N on a VPS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install N8N on a VPS to run your own automation workflows.
To start, choose a VPS provider like DigitalOcean, Linode, or Hostinger. I will be using Hostinger for this tutorial. After setting up your server, you'll connect it remotely using SSH. Once you're in, the first step is to make sure your server is updated to avoid issues during installation. Next, you'll need to install a tool called Node.js, which allows N8N to run. This usually comes with another tool called npm, which helps in installing packages. After installing those, you can install N8N itself using a simple command. To keep N8N running even after you close the terminal or restart the server, use a process manager like PM2. This makes sure N8N is always running in the background. If you want to access N8N from a web browser, it's a good idea to also set up a domain name and secure it using HTTPS. By installing N8N on a VPS, you get full control over your automation setup without relying on third party hosting. It's cost effective and scalable, especially if you're planning to build complex workflows. And that's how you install N8N on a VPS.